Hey y'all, so I am back with another unboxing video for Maniology. If you saw my last Maniology unboxing with the Halloween box, then you're probably already familiar with what this box is. It's sort of like a countdown to the holiday, Christmas in this case. But if you want to see the Halloween one, where I unboxed that one, that was pretty cool. Look down in the comments and the description box and I'll have a link to that video. These boxes are now on pre-order. Okay, so if you look in the description box and in the comments, you're going to see a link to where you can go, where you can purchase this box. But like I said, right now they are on pre-order and they will begin shipping after October the 27th. Now, the individual items in this box that are not exclusive to the box, those items will be available for sale on the Maniology website on December the 1st. So anyway, let us get into this one. My phone cut off. But anyway, let's start with our Box of Cheer Countdown book. So I'm just going to hold this here and you can pause the video if you want to read this section here. I'm not going to read all of that, so you can pause it and read it if you want to. But for day number 1, it says, first on the list, a Hawaiian wishing for snow, so the elves designed a plate to give her a show. So number 1, we have, of course, a stamping plate, and I love their stamping plates. You've heard me talk about the Maniology stamping plates before. And to use them, you need to peel off this little blue covering, okay? This is just a protective covering, but peel that off before you use it. And look here, is that not cute? Look at all of these snowflakes. All right, I'm already getting some good ideas with this. And y'all know I like my nails exceptionally long. So I can do a whole lot with these snowflakes. I can get a lot on my nails with that. And of course, with this, see how like wide it is? If you have really long nails, you could, turn this way and use it like so. But I'm trying to hold this. Oh my gosh, I got something. I'm trying to hold this so the light won't blind y'all. And there's the plate number, M338. So that was pretty cute. Okay, so moving on, let's do number 2. Next up, a busy mom who wanted a moment to chill with a new stamped Mani and a couple of Advil. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. So this is a crystal clear stamper and scraper set. I love their stampers as well. Their stampers are like my favorite. So let me get this open and we'll look at it. Okay, this is the Holiday Ice Cube Stamper. I really do like their cube stampers. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's red. And look, we have a holiday themed scraper card here. That is adorable. Let's get out the actual stamper. I like how usually the lids of their stampers are decorated for like their holiday kits, which I really like. Just gives you a little extra something fun while you're doing your nails. Okay. Yep. And there's the lid for that. Is that not cute? Put that where you can see it there. Okay. So now I'm going to stick this back in the box, and now let's move on to day number 3. So day number 3, the third Mani Muse was sick of the cold, so the elves bottled up their aloha for a sweet island glow. That's cute. All right, day number 3. Find number 3 here. I think this is part of the fun too, is like looking through and trying to find everything. So this is number 3. Look at that cute little sticker. So let's see what number 3 is. Let us take a look-see. I like all the detail and attention they put into their packages. That's what I like. So this is Hawaiian Botanical Lotion. Ooh. Oh, I bet this smells good. All right, hold on. I'm going to smell it. Okay, that smells really good. A very nice tropical scent. A little bit different probably from, your regular Christmas scents, which I think is a welcome change. Yep, that smells really, really good. And I'm all about hand lotion. If you watch my crafting videos, then you know a lot of times my hands are slippery because I'm wearing lotion. Okay, so day number 4. Self-care is important, so the team took a break to snack on some holiday candies and cake. Give me a cake. I like cake. Yeah, we all like cake. And you know what? I love the color of this box, so I had changed my nails and made them blue, and I'm wearing a blue shirt to kind of tie everything in together. So... okay, now this is bright. I like that. What is this? Candy cane. Candy cane. And this is sort of like an orange color. Let's kind of sort of like an orangish red color. Now that's different. That's a different color. That's a beautiful color though. That's a beautiful color. Not what I would call candy cane, but you know what? It's still beautiful. And I got an idea in my head for one of the plates that I want to use with that. Fifth on the list was for Santa himself, who wished for a day to hang out with the elves. So we got another plate. Oh, I've got so many other plates. Okay, I'm trying to aim this, like I said, so that the light won't hit you in the face. Also, look at all of these down here. You can do those, like these little faces, and you have hair, beards, hats, all kinds of stuff here. Like little braids. Pretty cool. All right, so what do we have over here? This looks like little gnomes sitting on packages. This is a bunch of gnomes. Gnome, sweet gnome. A bunch of Christmas gnomes. That's cute. There's a gnome in a wreath. Santa is my gnome boy. Gnome for the holidays. That's really cute. So all these are like really cute Christmas gnomes, and this is plate number M339. Shall put that back. All right. Number 6. Who could forget Santa's beautiful Mrs.? Her gift wrapped up tightly with a million of kisses. A million of kisses. A million kisses. Amber, really? Okay, so yeah, this is number 9. See how the sticker matches a little doohickey in the book? All right, so let's see. What is this? Her gift wrapped up tightly with a million kisses. Please be something for your lips. Island Passion Tropical Lip Balm. From the Island Soap Candle Works. Okay, I need to check out that company, Island Soap Candle Works. I need to check that out because I'm all about, ooh, that smells good. I'm all about learning about new companies and trying to support small business. So that smells really, really good. I'm wearing lipstick. I just swatched it on my mouth. And it tastes pretty good too. Yep, that tastes pretty good. So moving on to number 7. The 7th babe sadly broke a nail at the gym, but rocked her short mani with some polish and a trim. Don't you hate when that happens, like you drop a weight or something and then it like just breaks? Or if you wear the false ones like me, you just knock one off. You're like, ah! All right, so I'm going to have to, oh, this one's wrapped up really well. Let us take a look-see here. Okay. What do we have? Somebody help me. All right, I got it. All right, what is in here? Well, I just dropped it in my lap. Let's see. Okay, nail clipper. We all can use nail clippers, right? Am I right? Am I right? So this is the number tool 056. I like how they put the numbers on here so like when you go to the website, you know, you can find, if you want to purchase these, you can find things. You know, and it has like their little logo there. Get that out of the way. Now we have number 8. Next on the list was someone quite mean who lived by himself and only stamped with green. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Let's see what this is. Oh, I like this green. Do I have green polish? I don't think I have any green polish. And I like that. Look, it's got like this, it's like a gold sheen to it. And the color is Grinchmas. Grinchmas. How cute is that? Somebody's texting me. Who's texting me? Julie Oxendine. Julie's Arithmetic's texting me. So let's see if we can open this up. We'll just get some on the brush here. I like it. I like that color. I really do. Okay, so put that back in there. All right, so number 9. Number 9. The 9th nail artist had been feeling uninspired and longed for a shiny new mani to admire. So number 9 minus 10. Number 9. Here we are. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, all right, I'm back. So get these out and let's see what is in here. This, ooh, all right, this is something shiny. Look at that. Look at those colors. I'm liking, I don't know, I'm liking this one. Yeah, I'm liking this. Oh, that gold's pretty too. You know, okay, I don't know which one's my favorite. Here comes my cat again trying to get in. But anyway, this is nail powder, okay? This is not eyeshadow. Don't put this on your eyes. You know, I should have said that. I know somebody's going to ask. But, yes, this is nail powder. Like, you can, like when you're polished, put your polish on, then when your polish is sort of tacky, you can take your little applicator here, put that on there, and then you buff it on your nails, and then you get, you know, effects like this. This does not like holographic powder, you know, like this would be. But still, you know, that's how you would do that. Just buff it on, and then let the polish dry. But anyway, those are some pretty colors. Where did the bag go for it? I don't know. Did I drop it? I've been dropping everything. I probably did. Anyway, let's just set this over here. Okay. Oh, I see it. It's over here. I'll put it back in there here in a second. All right. Moving along. What do we have? Number 10 was a blogger with beautiful hands. He took great care of his nails, which inspired his fans. So number 10 is this. Okay, number 10 right here. Number 10. Essential cuticle and nail oil. We all can use more nail oil, right? Cuticle oil. I use quite a lot of it. Oh, there's a little gnat in here. I use quite a lot of oil on my hands. Olive oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil. And now I have, oh, this is refreshing peppermint. So hold on, we're going to open this. We're going to open it. Let me see what it says. Oh, that smells good. That definitely smells like peppermint. So we have this peppermint cuticle oil. Let's set that there. All right. Somebody out there is going to make fun of the way I say oil, but you know what? That's the way I say it. Number 11. The 11th holiday order included a strange request. A year-old fruitcake sent to her boss's address. That's funny. A year-old fruitcake. All right. So we have... I'll shake it up just for a second. So we have this color, quite an odd color. I've not seen a color like this before, actually. That's interesting, and I'm going to see what I can do with it. Let me scoot up in my squeaky chair here. So we have this, and we have all of these little particles in here, glitter. You know what? You know what? I think this would look good. I wanted to do like an ugly Christmas sweater, and I know, you know, that's mean of me. I think this would look really good. I've got some ideas for this. You got to get creative with polishes and stuff like that. It might not be something that you would normally wear, but you know what? You can make something look good out of nothing, okay? So let's look at this. So I'm going to play around with this because it'll be interesting. Okay, let's put that in there. So now we're on number 12. Number 12. The final Mani order was for someone young at heart with a love for the holidays and creative nail art. Young at heart. I wonder what's going to be on this one. Let's see. And you know what? I just said I wanted to do like a Christmas sweater, and then there's a design right there that will make a good Christmas sweater. Okay, so let's look at this one. This looks like a bunch of Christmas toys. And there's some bows and ribbon. You could do packages with this. There's a little train from your Secret Santa. I'm hoping y'all can see this. I'm trying to not blind y'all with that light. There's some presents. All right. Elf. All right. So, let's see. We got the plate. We got the powder palette. And this was the polish. And this was polish. And then we got oil. Another polish. Another polish. The stamper, the clippers, this plate, another plate, the lip balm, and the hand lotion. Did I get everything? Okay, I think I got everything. All right, so there is that. Oh, plus our little sticker here. So there is the box of cheer, and here are some little gnome stamping there, you know, like with the reverse stamping. And it tells you how to stamp. And then here's like a product recap here. Again, tells you how to stamp. But yeah, if you want to get this, or later on, like I said, December 1st, if you want to get some of the individual items, then, you know, check out the link down below. I'll have the coupon code. Keep an eye on their website. It's available for pre-order right now. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time.